Pogruok medore komiti mar od bura ma ochung' ne weche mag budget ipogo omenda e kind piny owacho mamalo kod mag kauntis ka jakom mar komiti no Ndindi Nyoro wacho ni nitiere nok mar omenda e budget maromo siling bilion 788. Senetas to omako ni okgibiye mondo duok piny pok mag omenda mitero ne kauntis ka giwacho ni kauntis bandho piny owacho mamalo omenda maromo bilion 30.
And in that regard, therefore, we are talking to ourselves here to make a decision, but we are also talking to other stakeholders to understand the issue. And the stakeholders here is not just governors. The stakeholders is also people who have not been paid for months, for example, in our county governments. Stakeholders are Kenyans. And therefore, if you allow me, Honorable DK, because we are taking minutes, we are unanswered, let's not be conclusive on any matter. What I mean is that the point Honorable Dr. Audo would have is talking both to this mediation committee, but also talking to other stakeholders. And therefore, in that regard, I would request we open the debate and say as it is, as I keep saying, so that after all is said and done, we have a solution. And a solution, I am convinced, because I've attended other mediations, is not here. The solution is after here. And therefore, let us act at the back of our mind when you are acting and speaking. Speak having the House in mind. Speak having the stakeholders in mind. But also, don't limit your debate to the solution of this meeting. Expound it also to other stakeholders so that they understand where every person is coming from.
I sit here as a former governor for 10 years. I'm a senator. And the realities that should inform us, we do not legislate with emotions. We legislate for posterity. We legislate so that whatever we do can outlive the test of time in terms of objectivity. If you get to understand, maybe if you ask, and don't even press the mic when the chair is talking, so that you can pay proper attention in terms of what we are discussing. I want to tell you this. When you have, when the chair is guiding, you have a right to say when you are, that's the purpose of having co-chairs. Let me finish, because when you discuss about issues in regards to emotions in the National Assembly, you are giving lectures. You are giving guidance. What I'm trying to tell you is that you do not legislate with emotions, and you do not legislate for short-term gains in terms of political relationships. Many of us don't get along with our governors. But when you have objectivity to guide an issue of national importance, it's very important that we move beyond issues that are a bit in view of, like your hands are not clean and that issue, so that we can give guidance on the subject matter with objectivity. And the reason why I say objectivity is there is no need of having this mediation meeting if we are not coming to mediate on the subject matter at hand.
Winjo ka jood bura nyako Ramogi kachiel kod Senetas twerore kotene kod weche mag pok mag omenda madhine counties. Mabende achiel kuom bede migepe ma sirikal ma owinjo bed ni chwalo dongruok ne jopiny. Kowere kod mago wadonjo weche mag somo.